Hi guys, what's up? It's me Shreya and welcome back to yet another video. I know it's been long, like 2 months I have been missing without telling you guys where I have been. But life has been so brutal, life has been so hard that I have to take space for myself, and this one is going to be a life update video. A lot has happened in the past 2 months, so I thought that I'm gonna sit down here and tell you guys about all the updates that's been going on with my life. A lot of you, my friends and my close ones, really know, but it's for all those out there who do not know about what's been in my life. So it's going to be an update video. It's going to be a chatty one, a personal Q&A video where we talk heart to heart. So if you're interested, then continue watching, and without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so starting with the very first question, कि कहाँ थी मैं and where I have been, why I have not been posting content. So the past 2 months have not been very easy for me and my family. It's very difficult for me to tell the story again and again, but I'm gonna do this for one last time for you guys. Past 2 months we have lost 2 of our family members, which is my mother and my grandmother. Both of them have been ill since long, like वो बीमार थे. My mother was a cancer patient, as a lot of you guys might already know. She was a breast cancer patient, and she has undergone her operation. Like, she was diagnosed 1 year around this time only. She was diagnosed with breast cancer, and she has been going through treatment, chemotherapies, and around February she got her operations done. And things have not been very nice after that, because after her operation the cancer just aggressively spread throughout her body. Like, it spread through her to her kidney as well as lungs, and doctor had given up. Like, around May में ही हमें पता चल गया था that she is not going to survive for long. But has said कि हमें 9 months है उनके पास minimum, like maximum 9 months है उनके पास. But then within 1 month the chemo tablets just could not help, nothing helped, and we lost her within a span of 1 month. On 14th of June she lost her life in cancer, and post that on 2nd of July my grandmother, my nani, also lost her life. Not because she was going through something, but I think the shock of losing her daughter was something that led to her heart attack, and then it caused her death. In the past 2 months I was just going through, feeling my emotions. I'm just numb from inside still. We could not process कि 2 महीने की टाइम में इतनी सारी चीज़ें इतनी जल्दी कैसे हो गई. Of course she was ill. We knew that we could see this coming, but yet it still hurts the same. Life does not always go as planned, so I think everything has a reason. Speaking about why I cut my hair short, a lot of you might also want to know that suddenly क्या हो गया जो इतने छोटे बाल करवा लिए. So basically, of course, I wanted to cut my hair since long, but not this short, of course. So I went to the salon and मैंने बोला था उनको छोटे कर देने बाल, but then they suggested me that you have a long hair, so you can donate it. And of course I knew about hair donation, but I did not think that my hair was so long that I could donate it. She cut my hair short, and I came back with the hair and researched about कहाँ donate कर सकते हैं and all of that. When I found some Instagram pages, and also a senior of mine helped me with some info, contacted them, and then they gave me the minimum requirements for the hair donation, which are these. If you want to donate your hair in the future, you can. And yeah, that's when I decided that I'm gonna donate my hair for a good cause. I donated my hair to Cope with Cancer Hospital, which is in Mumbai. So I packed my hair and couriered it to Mumbai, and yeah, then this entire thing of hair donation came into my mind, and things happen. I think it happened for the good. I lost my mom in cancer, and I just wanted to help somebody out there. So I think it's a great way. My hair donation was for a purpose, and I hope that my hairs are of some use to somebody else and brings a little bit of joy. So yeah, this is why I cut my hair short. Of course, these are like really really short. I had them once, but I'm now used to the long hair, but I'm really adopting to this new look of mine. So yeah, I think you guys would also soon get used to my new look. A lot of you might already know that I was preparing for IIMC, and sadly I did not get into my dream college, and I'm not planning to take a drop year just to prepare for IIMC, because I think I can do that in the future, but abhi drop year leke fayda nahi hai, and hence I have taken admission in Amity, Noida, in Masters in Journalism and Mass Communication. So mere colleges start hone wale from 5th of August, and there is a lot of content from Amity that you're gonna get, of course. So we are going to be back to our routine of posting in YouTube and as well as Instagram. So if you do not follow me there, do follow me up there. Also, I wanted to talk about this one thing, about this reservation thing. Like, it's been bothering, of course, between all these things that has been happening with me in the past 2 months. This was also one of the things that affected me, which was कि मेरा selection नहीं हुआ IIMC में. And it's strange because मेरे से कम marks वाले, मेरे से कम rank वालों का भी हो गया था in IIMC regional campuses. जबकि हमारे प्रेफरेंसेस भी सिमिलर थे, बट सिंस आई एम अ जनरल कैटेगरी एंड दे वर फ्रॉम रिजर्वेशन कैटेगरी, उनका एडमिशन वाज वेरी इजी टू गेट. एंड इट्स रियली सैड, बिकॉज अगर मेहनत बच्चा इक्वली कर रहा है देन इक्वल चांसेस मिलने चाहिए. आई थिंक आई एम डूइंग क्वाइट वेल अभी. It's been 2 months since my mother's demise, and I have been holding up really strong. I have to move on, accept things, I know. With that, I think I'm gonna be consistent on YouTube from now on. We are back on track. We are going to have a lot of content, lot of Amity content coming up, and we are also going to shift. In the next vlog, you are going to see my shifting and house hunting vlog. Life is going to change. Life is going to change for the better, and everything that happened for a reason. So we have to just accept the fact and move on. Do follow me on my Instagram, and as well as subscribe me on my YouTube channel if you haven't already. I'm gonna see you guys in my next one. Until then, bye.